Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to add a contact form in your Shopify store. Contact form is a simple tool that allows customers to reach out to you with questions, inquiries, or feedback. Contact form offers many benefits to Shopify stores, such as makes it easy for customers to connect with sellers, helps sellers address customer concerns quickly and promptly. Sellers can capture potential customer information for future marketing. Sellers can easily collect customer opinions and suggestions. What are you waiting for? Start creating contact forms for your Shopify store with EComposer now. First, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Now choose an existing page that you want to add contact form element. You can also create a completely new page by clicking the Start Building button here. In this video, I'll select my home page. Welcome to EComposer Editor. Now, locate where you want to place the contact form element. Then drag and drop it. Okay, this is the display of the contact form when added to the EComposer Editor. Note that please do not add the contact form element to any section that has product elements like Add to Cart, Buy Now elements, etc., as it will cause problems when submitting the form. Now, we will configure this element. Let's start with the Content tab. The Content tab is composed of three sections: General, Notification, and Tracking. In the General tab, by clicking Add Items here, you can add fields to your form in various forms like text field, long text field, checkbox field, radio field, drop-down select, etc. Depending on the field type, the content settings may be different. You can change their position by dragging and dropping them. You can also delete and duplicate those fields. When you want to edit the content of each field, you just need to select the field you want to edit and a list of editing options will appear. Each field has different options that help you easily customize the content of each field. Note that the file upload field can only be added once, and you can choose the format that allows users to upload, separated by commas. These formats have a maximum size of 10 MB. Also in this tab, you can change the Submit button label, Submit button icon, icon position, column gap, and row gap. You can fill in the link redirect option after the successful form submit option to redirect the customer to that link after they submit the form. With notification section, you can edit the message that will be displayed on the live page when the customer submits the form successfully or fails. You can check Show Preview Messages to preview the display of the messages you set. You can use this field to add a tracking ID to your form. This ID will be sent to your EComposer Analytics when the form is submitted. How to access EComposer Analytics we highlight in the description of this video. Please visit the link below for details. Now, we will go to the Design tab. The Design tab includes 10 sections: General, Label, Input, Select, Checkbox, Radio, Description, Submit button, Success message, and Error messages. General allows you to edit background, box shadow, border radius of the entire contact form element, with the remaining sections corresponding to the name. Each section allows you to customize the color, background, border, font, size, etc. of each field to suit your needs. For example, with Input, you can adjust the display of the contents in the answer boxes. Editing items include text alignment, typography, color, etc. Okay, I have completed my contact form. Now, I will redesign this section to be customer-friendly by rearranging the section layout into 2 columns and adding heading to this section. All done. How do you feel? To finish editing, I need to select Save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a contact form element to my page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.